Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to buy USDT on Paxful. To buy USDT or Tether on Paxful, open your Paxful application and log into your account by entering your credential. After you're signed into your Paxful account, go ahead and tap on the wallet option at the bottom. Inside the wallet section, look for Tether from the list and tap on the Buy button right underneath it. Inside the Buy tab, you will be able to see the list of offers. Choose the seller with good rating and tap on the Buy button right next to them. Now on the next page under the Buy tab, browse through the offers and choose a seller with good ratings. Tap the Buy button right next to the seller and specify the amount of USDT you would like to purchase. After you do that, click on the Buy USDT button at the bottom of the screen. Make sure to review the trade details and then follow the seller's instructions to complete the payment. Once the payment is made, confirm and the seller will release the USDT to your Paxful wallet. So that is how you buy USDT on Paxful. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.